the latest collection of creative and innovative garden design ideas. Welcome to a world of boundless creativity and innovation in garden design. In this captivating video, we present a mesmerizing collection of the most cutting-edge and imaginative garden designs that will leave you inspired and eager to transform your outdoor space into a botanical wonderland. Whether you have a small balcony, a cozy backyard, or a sprawling estate, you'll find a wealth of fresh ideas to elevate your garden to new heights. Our expertly curated showcase features innovative concepts, stunning plant combinations, and ingenious gardening techniques that will awaken your inner landscape architect. Discover the secrets behind creating lush vertical gardens, sustainable permaculture oases, and whimsical fairy tale retreats. We explore modern, minimalist landscapes as well as wild and untamed natural paradises, each with its unique charm. Dive into the world of garden trends, from sustainable and eco-friendly designs to the revival of vintage aesthetics and the fusion of different cultural influences. We've got it all covered. Prepare to be amazed by the magic of garden design as we showcase spectacular flower arrangements, innovative water features, creative use of space, unique plant selections, sustainable gardening practices, relaxing outdoor sanctuaries, and so much more. Join us on this visual journey through the latest trends in garden design and let your imagination bloom. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting, there's something here for everyone to spark your creativity and take your garden to the next level. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with the most incredible garden ideas. Your dream garden is just a click away.